For years, people have worried that EV batteries die quickly and cost a fortune to replace. The fear comes from our experience with phones and laptops. After a few years, the battery just gives up. Headlines about rare battery failures don't help, but those stories are the exception, not the rule. The truth: EV batteries are engineered for the long haul, designed to last thousands of charging cycles and many years of daily driving. Car companies invest billions in EVs and back their batteries with warranties, usually 8 years or 100,000 miles. They wouldn't do that if batteries were destined to fail. These batteries are nothing like the ones in your pocket. They're built tough, reliable, and durable. The myth of the quickly dying EV battery is outdated. Manufacturers have the data and confidence to prove it. If you're hesitating because of battery fears, it's time to take another look. The evidence is clear. EV batteries are built to last. Let's put this myth to rest for good. Real-world data from over 22,000 EVs shows batteries lose only about 2.3% of capacity per year. That means a 300-mile EV still has around 245 miles of range after 8 years. Most people's daily needs are easily met, even as batteries age. Studies show less than 4% of older EVs ever needed a battery replacement, and it's even lower for newer models. Early fears came from harsh lab tests, not real driving. Modern EVs have smart battery management systems that protect against damage. The reality: battery degradation is slow, predictable, and manageable. The idea that your EV will be useless in a few years, it's just not true. The data proves it. Today's EV batteries are advanced tech, cooled, heated, and managed by smart software. Experts say most will last 15 to 20 years, often outliving the car itself. By the time a gas car's engine or transmission fails, an EV battery is usually still going strong. This makes used EVs a smart buy. Their batteries are built for the long haul. Battery tech keeps improving. Newer models are even more durable. Warranties guarantee at least 70% battery health for 8 years or 100,000 miles. If a battery fails early, manufacturers cover it. Battery failures are rare, and car makers stand behind their products. The bottom line: EV batteries are mature, dependable, and here to stay. You can buy with confidence. Want your EV battery to last even longer? It's easy. Avoid charging to 100% or running down to 0 every day. Aim for about 80% for daily use. If you're leaving your car parked for weeks, set the charge to 50 to 60%. Modern EVs manage battery temperature, but parking in shade or a garage helps. Fast charging is great for road trips, but use slower home charging for daily needs. Think of fast charging as an occasional sprint, not a daily routine. These simple habits can slow battery aging. Most people will never notice a problem if they follow these tips. A little care goes a long way. The biggest EV fear, battery failure, has been busted. Data shows batteries last and warranties back them up. EVs save you money on fuel and maintenance. No oil changes, no exhaust repairs. Used EVs are a smart buy. Their batteries still have plenty of life. This boosts resale value and makes EVs accessible to more people. You get peace of mind, instant torque, and a quiet ride. The technology is proven and reliable. The myth of the dying EV battery is dead. If you're on the fence, go test drive one and see for yourself. EVs aren't just the future, they're a smart choice today.